Lolos, welcome back to my channel. It's Monica Loya. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an honest review on the Lovevery Playkits and block set. We want to thank Lovevery for sending us these products. We were already huge fans of them. We have a play gym and a couple of Playkits as well. If you guys don't know what Lovevery is, basically they are a Montessori-based toy company. Their play products are designed by child development experts. They are simple and pure. They are made of natural materials. They don't have any electronics or flashing lights. And their purpose is exactly for every children's age stage. So I have a couple of boxes here that I'm going to be opening. Every toy has its own specific meaning and purpose. And I love that it has this cute little book, explains what everything is. And I'm really excited. All right, so I'm going to start opening the boxes. I'm so excited. Camila was actually in here right now, but she was trying to talk to you guys a little too much. So my husband had to grab her for a little bit, but I'm gonna have her come in here as well so that she can see her toys. And I'm so happy because it's her birthday, so it's like perfect. Oh my gosh! Designed by experts for a child's developing brain. Playkit months 25, 26, and 27, and this is the helper kit. So it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh! Okay. And then it tells you what the next one is, which is the enthusiast, investigator, free spirit months. Yes. Here's the book. Here's the book. Very beautiful. We've got the little art kit. Ooh, okay. It's like a zipper baggie. So cute. She's gonna love these. Oh my goodness, look at the felt flowers, you guys. That is adorable. And she can plant them, she can arrange them by color, she can count them. So cool. Okay, and then we have the dots and the catcher. So cute. We have the research book, which explains what every toy is meant for. And then we have the cards. Okay. Right here we have the double-sided Sunny puzzle. And this is the sustainable sink. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I think this actually like works too. Like you can make it functionable. So cool for the dishes, drying rack, and then just a couple of more things. Ah, cups, so cute. And then instructions as well. So for this one, and it says how to do it. Give your child a chance to play with the puzzle pieces on their own before trying to fit them in. Invite them to try to fit a piece into either side of the board, starting with a solitary piece that's not connected to others, like the circle, may be the easiest place to begin. So we'll see how she likes that one. For the dot catcher, so basically, identifying a color, choosing the matching coin, and making color-based patterns are also early exercising in planning ahead, focus, and executive function. Your child may relish the challenge. So fun! So why do this? Children's grips vary at this stage. You may sometimes see them hold the paint stick between their thumb and fingers in addition to a whole fist. Holding a marker prepares them for learning to write with a pencil later. So up to 2 years, that's how they're gonna hold their fist. It's so cool. And then at the bottom it says stages of drawing lines: vertical stroke, horizontal stroke, circle, and cross. I love this, you guys. This is so cute. It comes with a whole bunch of little papers. washable temperate paint sticks. And then look at these. They're so cute. It also comes with these cute little cards. This one says get dressed, snack time, and then it has cute little shapes in the back. Brush teeth, diaper time. Really, really cute. Wash hands. Hi, sit down, look, sit down. Wow. Do they smell good? Do they smell good? Here, you gotta put them in here. Look, ready? You gotta put them in here. Oh, one, two, three. Good job. Four, five. Good job, Camila. Look at your beautiful flowers. Yeah. Oh, you got it. Good job. Wow. That was close. Like that. Down. Wow. Like this right here. Wow, that was pretty close. Orange. What color is that?
That's orange.
That's green. Ooh. Ooh. You like it? Wow. You need to wash your hands. There's that. Uh-oh. As you can see, she's actually super entertained with her new sink. It's really awesome. I'm so excited for her. It looks adorable. But now I'm going to open the block set. Ooh, the block set. This one's for 18 months and up. Lovevery block set. All right, here we go. Oh, Playtime Essentials with just the right amount of nerdy. Oh, it comes with its own little baggie to put away all your blocks. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute this is. Bill comes with this right here. The block set Lovevery. Sustainable, safe materials, SC certified wood and water-based, non-toxic paint and finishes. Endless ways to play. Comes with 70 blocks, 18 shapes and tools, and 20 plus stage-based activities. There it is, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look, Camila. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at the little people. Whoa. Okay. Now that's cool. Well, building upward, sorting types of blocks, making patterns, building a car, drumming, putting magnets together, building towers and cities. Okay, this is so beautiful. Ta-da! There's more. Whoa. Good job. Good job, Camila. She's building up. Oh! It's okay. Like.
One week later.
Alright guys, so it's been a week and I'm going to give you my honest thoughts on the toys. So for the sink, which is her absolute favorite, she actually started pouring water from one cup to another for the first time today, because usually she just splashes the water, or she gets the dishes and she like wets them and, you know, she just plays with it. And she also knows how to turn it off and turn it on when I tell her. So I'll be like, Camila, don't forget to turn it off. And so she'll go and it will actually turn it off. So it's really, really cool. For the flowers, she counts them every now and then when she's putting them in each circle, and she sniffs them, so it's super cute. And yeah, they're just really nice to play with. She carries them around and she gives me the bouquet, so it's very sweet. And yeah, so those are my two favorite that I would say really catched my eye. For the dog catcher, she can differentiate the colors. She can't sort them out yet, but she can tell which one's blue, which one's green when I ask her. Like, which one's the blue one? And then she'll actually give me the blue one. She can't say it as well. Sometimes she says yellow. But she actually knows where each one should go. So it's really nice. For the temperasics, which those are the colors, those are really cool. The only thing I would say about those is if you don't cover them up, they will dry. And I tried sort of taking out the top part, and it does work. Probably not the same, but it does work still. And they're really nice, they're washable, so every time they get on something, I literally just like scrub it off with my finger and it will go away, so it's really cool. She can draw circles. She mostly scribbles, but it's pretty close. And then when I ask her to make a line, she pretty much just traces mine a little bit, so she can't do her own yet, but it's getting there, so it's really cool and it's practical, especially when we have to travel and stuff. We can just take it with us because it has like it's a pouch pretty much, so it's really nice. For the sunny day puzzle, that one's probably the one that she is least interested in right now. I think mainly it's because we got the block set as well, so she can't really tell which one's which. She does know how to place the sun in the circle, where it's supposed to go, of course, and then the triangle that's part of the fish's tail, which is pretty cool. But again, she's obsessed with her blocks. Which is fine, you know, it's really cute, and eventually she'll play with it more and she'll get it more later on. The blocks are actually one of her favorites as well, besides the sink. She knows how to build upwards, which is really good. And then yesterday I saw her building a little car with the two magnetic circles. So it's really, really awesome. And she stores them away, and I'm like, hey, you gotta pick it up, and I teach her how to store them away, so she knows how to do that. And then right now she's trying to learn how to actually make, you know, a car that she can pull with the little string that comes attached with the stick. So it's really cool. But she gets frustrated when she can't get it through. So, but other than that, it's beautiful. It's probably one of my favorite things. And as far as the book, She loves books already. She's obsessed with books. I do like that one because of the flap, so it's really interesting to her. The only thing I would say with that is it is a little bit bulky and big and heavy compared to the ones that she has that are similar to that style. And she does carry it around throughout the house. She always has it, you know, or she takes it everywhere she goes. And so it is heavy, I would say. It's probably one of my, you know, cons to that. But other than that, she loves it and she loves counting, so it's really cool. And for the first time, we counted to 12. So it was really, really awesome. We usually know, she knows how to count to 10. She can't say the words exactly how, you know, but she knows how to do it, which is really awesome. And then for the cards, I do read them to her. She doesn't know what it is, but she does look at the cards every time, you know, I show them to her. And of course, she likes the designs that are in the back of the cards, so. And that is about it for this video, guys. I will be adding my affiliated link in the description below. Basically, what that means is that every time anybody goes in and uses my link specifically, my channel and myself will be benefited from it. So again, thank you Lovevery for making us part of your family. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Besitos.